Hello friend, this is Dr. Mahir. Welcome to my YouTube channels. In this video, I highlighted some of the important points to keep in mind while you are selecting or purchasing some fats, oil and ghee from the grocery stores or from the shopping mall. So let's see one by one. Do buy preferably packed fat, oils and ghee. Try to buy or use 2-3 different types of fats and oils and ghee for your family daily cooking. Don't buy oil sold loosely, especially mustard oil. Do buy fortified oil with the vitamin A and D. A plus symbols in the pockets. Don't buy viscous or very thick, dark or huge oil with suspended impurity. Do buy clear, transparent, free flowing with natural flavor. Don't buy nuts and oil seed, powder with mustard smell. Do buy preferable packed oil seeds and nuts with packaging intact. Don't buy insect infested or moldy groundnuts. Do buy healthy vegetable oils such as groundnut, mustards, coconut, sesame oil for family having heart problems, and also includes nuts and oil seeds like walnut, flax nut in your diet. Don't buy margarine, banaspati, palm oil for the people having heart diseases. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks a lot.